Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making barbecue chicken sliders. Okay, so I'm using grilled chicken. I'm just seasoning it. I'm using adobo, garlic, and black pepper. Now I'm just mixing it up, and then I'm going to be cutting the chicken into small pieces. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Now that the chicken is done, I'm just going to be cutting up an onion. Now that the onions are cut up, I'm going to be using the Hawaiian rolls. Now I'm going to spray the pan with some butter. Then I'm going to add the bread in. Now I'm going to be adding the chicken, and then I'm going to add the onions. Now I'm going to be adding some spicy honey barbecue sauce, and then I'm going to be adding some spicy cheese. Oh my god, y'all, this is looking so good already, and this is my first time trying this. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make me a sauce to go on top. It's gonna be butter and some oregano. Okay, so now it's time to put it in the oven for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks once it's done.